Here's a detailed 5,000-word exploration of the Roswell incident and its impact on alien conspiracy theories. #, the Roswell incident, a turning point in UFO conspiracy theories. The Roswell incident, an event that occurred in 1947 near the small town of Roswell, New Mexico, remains one of the most famous and debated UFO-related incidents in history. What began as a simple press release about the recovery of a mysterious object turned into a decades-long saga of speculation, conspiracy theories, and cultural significance. This article delves into the details of the Roswell incident, the ensuing controversy, and its lasting impact on our understanding of UFOs and extraterrestrial life. #, #1. The initial event. What happened in Roswell? ***. In early July 1947, rancher Mac Brazel discovered debris scattered across his property near Corona, New Mexico. The debris reportedly included strange materials such as metallic strips, rubber-like sheets, and reflective tape. Brazel, puzzled by the unusual nature of the materials, reported the discovery to local authorities. The event gained traction when the Roswell Army Airfield, RAF, released a press statement claiming that they had recovered a flying disc. This announcement, however, was quickly retracted and replaced with an explanation that the debris was from a weather balloon. Despite the military's efforts to downplay the incident, the initial statement about a flying disc captured public attention and sowed the seeds for widespread speculation. #, #2. The government's explanation. Project Mogul ***. Decades later, the U.S. government declassified information revealing that the debris was likely part of Project Mogul, a top-secret program designed to detect Soviet nuclear tests using high-altitude balloons equipped with sensitive listening devices. The reflective materials described by Brazel matched the radar reflectors used in Project Mogul. While this explanation seemed to close the case for some, others remained unconvinced. The timing of the incident, coupled with the secrecy surrounding military projects, led many to believe that the government was hiding something far more extraordinary. #, #3. The birth of UFO conspiracy theories ***. The Roswell incident is often considered the starting point for modern UFO conspiracy theories. While sightings of unidentified flying objects predate Roswell, this incident provided a tangible focal point for speculation about extraterrestrial visits. #, Key elements of the conspiracy ***. Alien bodies ***. Witnesses later claimed that alien bodies were recovered from the crash site and taken to a secret facility for study. Government cover-up ***. The rapid shift from flying disc to weather balloon fueled suspicions of a government cover-up. Area 51 connections ***. The secrecy surrounding Area 51, a U.S. Air Force base in Nevada, became intertwined with Roswell lore, with many believing it to be the storage site for alien technology and bodies. These elements combined to create a narrative that resonated deeply with a public already grappling with Cold War paranoia and a fascination with space exploration. #, #4. Eyewitness accounts and testimonies ***. Over the years, numerous individuals have come forward with accounts related to the Roswell incident. Some claim to have seen the crash site, while others reported witnessing alien bodies. #, Major Jesse Marcel ***. One of the most significant figures in the Roswell saga is Major Jesse Marcel, an intelligence officer at the RAF. In interviews decades after the incident, Marcel expressed doubts about the official weather balloon explanation, describing the debris as unlike anything he had seen before. #, Glenn Dennis ***. Glenn Dennis, a local mortician, claimed to have been involved in the transport of alien bodies from the crash site. His testimony, though controversial, added fuel to the belief that extraterrestrial beings were involved. #, Inconsistencies in testimonies ***. While these accounts are compelling, skeptics point out inconsistencies and a lack of verifiable evidence. Critics argue that many of the testimonies emerged years after the fact, making them susceptible to memory distortions and external influences. Hashtag 5. Media and cultural impact ***. The Roswell incident coincided with the rise of science fiction as a popular genre in literature, film, and radio. The idea of aliens and flying saucers captured the imagination of the public, influencing how the Roswell story was perceived and retold. Hashtag books and documentaries ***. The Roswell Incident, 1980. This book by Charles Berlitz and William Moore reignited interest in the case by presenting new interviews and evidence. Television specials * shows like Unsolved Mysteries and The X-Files brought the Roswell story to a global audience. Hashtag movies ***. Films like Close Encounters of the Third Kind and Independence Day drew inspiration from Roswell, blending real-world events with fictional narratives about alien contact. Hashtag 6. The role of declassified documents ***. The U.S. government has periodically declassified documents related to UFOs and the Roswell incident. In 1994, the Air Force released a report reaffirming that the debris was part of Project Mogul. A follow-up report in 1997 addressed claims of alien bodies, attributing them to test dummies used in military experiments. Despite these explanations, many remain skeptical. For believers, the release of these reports only deepens suspicions of a cover-up. Hashtag 7. Scientific perspectives ***. While the Roswell incident is often viewed through the lens of conspiracy theories, it has also sparked serious scientific inquiry into the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Hashtag SETI and the search for life ***. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, program uses radio telescopes to scan the cosmos for signals from alien civilizations. While no definitive evidence has been found, SETI continues to explore the question of whether we are alone in the universe. Hashtag astrobiology ***. The study of life in extreme environments on Earth, such as deep-sea hydrothermal vents, has expanded our understanding of where life might exist in the universe. These findings suggest that life could potentially thrive in conditions previously thought uninhabitable, such as on Mars or the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Hashtag 8. Modern UFO investigations ***. In recent years, the U.S. government has taken a more transparent approach to UFO investigations. In 2020, the Department of Defense established the All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, AARO, to study unexplained aerial phenomena, UAP. Hashtag Pentagon UFO videos ***. The release of declassified videos showing UAPs has reignited public interest in the possibility of extraterrestrial life. These videos, recorded by Navy pilots, show objects displaying flight characteristics beyond known human technology. Hashtag congressional hearings ***. In 2023, Congress held hearings on UAPs, with witnesses calling for greater transparency. While these efforts are not directly linked to Roswell, they reflect a growing willingness to address the topic of UFOs in a serious manner. Hashtag 9. The legacy of Roswell ***. The Roswell incident remains a cornerstone of UFO folklore and a symbol of humanity's fascination with the unknown. It has influenced everything from pop culture to government policy, leaving an indelible mark on our collective imagination. Hashtag for believers ***. Roswell represents proof of extraterrestrial contact and a government conspiracy to hide the truth. It is a rallying point for those who seek to uncover the mysteries of the universe. Hashtag for skeptics ***. Roswell is a case study in how rumors and misinformation can evolve into a global phenomenon. It serves as a reminder to approach extraordinary claims with critical thinking and evidence-based analysis. Hashtag 10. Conclusion: a mystery that endures ***. More than 75 years after the Roswell incident, the debate continues. While official explanations point to earthly origins, the allure of extraterrestrial involvement persists. Whether viewed as a historical curiosity, a scientific challenge, or a cultural phenomenon, Roswell remains a testament to humanity's enduring quest to understand the unknown. The question lingers: was Roswell merely a misidentified military experiment, or was it something far more extraordinary? For now, the answer lies somewhere between fact and fiction, waiting to be discovered.